Certainly I've heard stories about people having to, when you have to pay the attorney and it's not on a contingency basis, things just seem to drag on. Or they find out in retrospect that it was handled poorly and someone else might have handled it better. That didn't happen. It was handled brilliantly, better than I could have asked for from a financial perspective. I read just enough on the internet to let me know that maybe I had some really good ideas that I should pass along to Scott. And I know now that he absolutely knew what he was doing. He had a team handling all of this. It's a system, a machine that I know is working perfectly now. But at that time, I know that I called Scott a handful of times, insisted either on speaking with him or meeting with him to discuss my thoughts, and it was actually my fear that something might fall through. Scott never once sounded impatient with me on the phone. And so I didn't really thank him for that, but I would like to now and say, thank you for entertaining and humoring me when I was worried, letting me come in the office and speak to the whole team about what I thought needed to happen, and they politely addressed it. That was great for me because I did want to be responsible and handle this for my family in the right way. And by coming into his office and having some of those conversations without making me feel as though I was a nuisance or irritating or ignorant, really gave me that much more confidence. I don't know if other law firms would do that. That sort of sick feeling we have, I hate to say it, but when we know we're going to deal with a lawyer, someone everyone needs to have in his camp, but it's murky, I think, the relationship that people have often with attorneys. Absolutely, unequivocally, 100% without a doubt, I trust Scott's law firm, Scott and his staff, to handle anything that might come up in the future expertly, professionally, and thoroughly, based on my experience with this, and I would tell anyone else the same thing.